Welcome to our first lesson in our Fundamentals of Golf series. During this lesson, we're going to be talking about alignment. My name is Les Ross, and I'm joined by my brother Craig Ross, and together we are the directors of golf at Highlander School of Golf. During this lesson, we're going to cover three areas, the first of which is really just emphasize the importance of a good swing alignment. Craig is then going to go over some basic principles for a proper alignment. And then at the end, we'll give you some ideas of how to set up visual alignment aids to help you in this process. So why is swing alignment so important? Well, basically, alignment ensures that your body and your club face are correctly set up in relation to the target line. But more importantly, it ensures that your club face is actually aiming at the target. And this is crucial to ensure that your shot travels in the desired direction. A good alignment also allows your body to swing freely through the different stages of the swing, whereas an improper alignment invariably results in a miss hit or at least a curved ball flight that not only reduces your accuracy, but it also reduces your distance. So I'm going to turn things over to Craig on the next slide here, and he'll cover some of the basic principles.
There it is. Right, you've basically covered the thought of club face aims at the target, body's going to be left of the target. And I'm going to bring your attention to the top right-hand corner there, the diagram where the club is behind the golf ball. Now, the emphasis of aiming the club face at the target will be at the bottom front edge of the club. That's your straightest edge. So it's a lot easier to get your club face at right angles to your target line and perpendicular to your feet, shoulders, and hips line. You'll also find that the shaft of the club will be in line with the club face. So not forward or back of that position that you see in the diagram. Now, such a common problem, this lining up, one tends to line your body up to the target. You look at the target, obviously, from your eye line, and one tends to naturally aim your body at the target, and therefore the club will aim to the right of the target. So it's that simple, but such a great principle once you get into it, and simple positioning of your body.
Yeah. And I can just add to that. I mean, the way to look at this is just to imagine that you're standing on a railway line, right? So your outer track is going to be used to aim your club face at the target, and the inner track is going to be used to align your feet and body, like we show in the picture. So
Yeah.
when you think about that, yeah, your body's always going to be pointing left, left of the target, as Craig mentioned. Now, I see this problem with guys I play with and people I've taught. They always look over their left shoulder to aim their left shoulder to target, and as Craig would pointed out, that then pushes everything to the right.
You're quite right, Les. You talk about your mates as well as the beginner golfers that you've been teaching. But trust me, this is not a problem just for beginner golfers. This is a problem for all golfers, from beginners to those who make a living on the circuits around the world. So it's simple, but such a powerful understanding of just simply aiming the club at the target. Feet will always be left of the target, so you get the free movement of club face through to the target, as well as obviously the body movement as well.
Okay. So on the last slide here, then, as simple as this, we'll give you some ideas on how to set up alignment aids. The first thing you can do is just take two clubs and lay them parallel to each other as we show in the picture. The outer club is going to be used for your club face alignment, and your inner club is going to be used for your feet alignment. And the inner club, as you can see, is pointing left to the target. We also have some other aids that are available on our products page. On the right, you see alignment sticks, and on the left, we see an alignment mirror. Now, both of these are very easy to use out in the driving range, or if you set up a practice area at home, they're easy to set up, and they just give you some really good visual clues on this whole process. So that concludes our first lesson. I hope you enjoyed this and you gained some key points from it. We have 7 additional lessons after this. If you have not yet signed up for this series, then you can do so by going to Highlander School of Golf and just click on the lessons link. Please feel free to share this video with your friends if you feel they will benefit from it. We look forward to working with you in the next 7 lessons, but we thank you for joining us today. All the best.